Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Come see the car for yourself.